In this video we're going to make one of these. It's a rustic old chunky coffee table that my wife wanted me to make. So in this video we're going to just go through the processes that I went through. I hope you enjoy it. Any things that I can do better or I can improve upon, please leave in the comments below.
Disrespectfully to Aston Villa, I just think the form that Villa take into the game, the problems they had in the previous match where Dean Smith was talking about players playing themselves.
You know, the Carabao Cup is a fantastic league. The Champions League after midweek is there for them. So it just depends on what we do on the table, how hungry they are to keep that momentum going.
And if they follow the law, they're doing their job. If you're a goalkeeper, a striker, a manager, you have moments of huge inspiration. And if you have enough of those, you get...
Now, here, I admit I make a big mistake. I was intending just to paint the underside. Not paint, it's a stain, it's a wood stain to make it like a nice rustic colour. I only intended to do the underside so that you wouldn't see the brush strokes after I put the legs on. But in my enthusiasm, I did the whole lot, and I shouldn't have done because I haven't yet fastened the top down. So this is a big error on my part. It's not a disaster because I have rectified it later on, but it's just another step that I needed to go through in order to make sure that the plugs that I eventually put in to hide the screws don't show too badly. So I'm watching myself doing this, and I'm thinking, why on earth did I do this without first doing the screws to fasten it down? But anyway, hope you can forgive me my terrible error here, and I think it turns out okay in the end. And there it is, finally the finished product, in its place in the conservatory. And I'm quite pleased with the end result, given that I did cock up a little bit on the staining of the wood before I put the screws in, as I said. But the main thing is that my wife is happy with it, and that is definitely the main thing. And so too is our dog, who's putting on a very fake pose there. But anyway, it looks all right. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I certainly enjoyed making it. I learned a few things along the way, and yeah, anything that you can think of doing better, then yeah, put it in the comments below, and that would be much appreciated. Okay, thanks very much, and until next time, see you soon.